Hello everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. After almost 2 years of mostly virtual executions, the Argentina Communications Group Cross Country Invasion returns for its 19th edition with Friday night parties, 2-day road shows, and radio and TV outside broadcasts across the island. Speaking this morning at the first of 2 launch events held at St. William Grant Park, downtown Kingston, CEO of the Argentina Communications Group, Gary Allen, spoke to E-Prime on the importance of the product to the group.
It has been super to meet our listeners, our viewers, our readers. It's been great to be out with the advertisers. We sit in studios, we sit in offices, we do all kinds of different things. It all boils down to what the people think and how we impact people's lives. So, one nation, one family. Yeah. We don't understand what that means until you go out on the road and you realize how big your family is and how much support you have out there.
Patrons at the launch got the chance to engage with this year's sponsors and some of their favorite morning shows. TVJ Small Jamaica hits 92 FM's Blast Off with Jenny, and Fame's Full House Friday. The morning also saw a special showcase by Voicemail, The Angel, Shireen Anderson, and others. And we have the highlights for you. Take a look.
No worry way, cause God da cover way. Tell them no trouble way, cause God da cover way. Let blessing flow my way, me I beg you cover me.
No weapon raised against me will ever prosper.
Gala say we are at Gala Road. Gala say we are at Gala Road. Gala, what's it over here? What's it over here? Sing after me, yeah. Gala say we at Gala Road.
You're all that I need. You're my everything, and I wanna spend a lifetime in your arms. So if you ever leave,
nice now we living uptown. I'm on a king on the ground. Benz and Jeep on a crown. TVJ level up and never down. I know the lifestyle Lord.
Them know we steal, yeah them know we style. Always a smile but me dark them wild. Chop up your road, yeah we collect up a car. Not trust nobody, just say hi and back. Dancing people, dancing people. Everybody it's a yes, it's a dancing fever. Yes, it's a dancing fever. Yes, it's a dancing.
Cross-country launch continued at Turtle River Park in Ocho Rios with evening drive-time programs and performances. Cross-country runs for 4 weeks until March 11 under the theme, One Nation, One Family. Look out for us in your parish. Now, Massacre and Jashi have joined forces on Pieces for New Music Friday. The dancehall heavyweights, Jashi and Massacre, today released a lyrically potent track which sees the two smoothly flowing from verse to chorus with a message of resilience and hope.
Looking at the mirror, but me no see me. True legend of the future, if you no believe. The journey is opposite, still I pick up the piece.
Just picking up the pieces from the puzzle of life on my journey.
Pieces is available across all digital platforms. Now this Saturday, see you at Dancing Dynamite's first elimination show at Mandela Park. And we all know the roads lead to Plantation Cove for Timeless with Chalice, Boris Gardner, Ken Booth, and Keisha Patterson. Always something happening for concert lovers. That's it for E-Prime this evening. Wherever you go this weekend, keep safe.